Right now, just relax the face. This isn't gonna hurt.
I know. I was just thinking.
Oh shit.
I forgot about a paper that was due tomorrow.
Huh? Well, girl, there's no turning back now. College. She was thinking about college. And here I thought she was dumbfounded by my jeans. Hello? Testing. Hey, you made it through! Welcome to the Lacey game site, or whatever is left of it. Anyway. Now, Charlie, or never name. Whatever happens, just remember. You were the one who wanted it, and therefore you can sue me for anything you might see or experience there. Okay? We're signing on it. And by the way, if by chance the experimental virtual machine spontaneously catches on fire and immolates you, well, that was also in your contract. All your trust. Right, so Lacey. Wait, why are the only two games saved in here? Where did all the other ones go? Oh well, maybe connecting someone's mind directly into the digital world messes some things alright. As long as it doesn't mess your brain. Hey, why don't you start exploring them? You wanted to find answers, right? Well, now thanks to my cool ass high-tech machine, LaceyGames.com is right here in front of you and all around you. Paralyzed by fear? Why, let me help you, girl. Why don't we open up Lacey's wardrobe first? You remember that one, right? It's time to play some flash games!
Lacey, did you see my stacks, Lacey? I can't wait to meet up, Lacey. I want you. Have a good time tonight with you, Lacey. Good night. Bye-bye. Lacey, I'm here. I'm here. Did it in the kiss, Lacey? Did you like it? I'm here. Open the door, my darling. Open the door. Open the fucking door!
Charming, isn't it? Some kids must still see the guy's face in their dreams. You can thank Rosie for that. Seriously, what's her damage? It's as if traumatizing little kids was her hobby or something. Some parent lawsuits are still going on to this day. I guess only Lacey's pet shop showing up for now. So there's that to explore. When you are ready. Well, hopefully you have a good stomach on you.
Pump it up, kitty. Just pump it up, kitty cat.